Welcome to Lesson 9. Today we're covering types of orders, because knowing the names isn't enough. Using the wrong order in live markets costs you money. I'll walk through this on the Bitcoin daily chart on your screen, so you can feel how each order type actually feels differently. If you don't understand orders, you can get filled at prices you never wanted, or miss the moment you needed to cut a loss and watch the damage grow. After this lesson, every time you trade, you should pause and ask, is this the right order for my situation? The foundation of every order is market versus limit. Even on this Bitcoin daily chart, those two types are firing all day long. A market order says, fill me right now. It's fast, but you don't choose the price, like walking into a coffee shop and saying, just give me a coffee, without checking if it's still a 3 or a 4.50. In a sharp rally or crash, a market order can feel far worse than you expected. That's called slippage. For example, you meant to buy near below 50,000 and get filled at Tarla 52,000 instead. A limit order says only fill at this price or better. You protect your price, but if the market never touches it, you don't get filled, like waiting for an apartment that hits your exact rent budget. For beginners, limits are usually safer. You trade without price shock and keep your emotions in check. A stop order, your stop loss, means if price falls to here, sell me automatically. Watch the Bitcoin daily on your screen and picture how that works in a downtrend. Say you bought a coin at Tyla 500 and set a stop at Tyla 470. The moment price hits Tyla 470, it sells for you. The loss stops at about Tarla 30. It's like drawing a hard diet failed line in advance. When you hit it, you reset immediately instead of spiraling. It's the most important tool for cutting emotion out of exits. You escape the trap of just a little longer and it'll bounce. Try placing a stop near a support level you can see on the chart. A stop limit turns into a limit sell when the stop triggers. That can reduce slippage, but if your limit price never prints, you might not get filled at all. A trailing stop moves your exit higher as price rises. You lock in gains while still leaving room for more upside. Crypto trades 24/7, so you still need loss protection while you sleep. Making stop orders your default is step one of solid risk hygiene. A conditional or scheduled order says when this condition hits, place my order automatically. On this Bitcoin daily, think of waiting for price to reach a level you chose. For example, set by Bitcoin if it drops to below 40,000, and the fill can happen while you're asleep. It's like a real estate agent watching for your target home price and calling you the moment it appears. Want to change an open order? Modify it. Change your mind? Cancel it. Both are usually free. On most brokers, you can tweak the order panel as many times as you need before a fill. Before a fill, you can modify or cancel as often as you like. After a fill, you need a new opposite order. Sell what you bought or buy back what you sold. Setting your orders before the session starts is where disciplined trading begins. It puts one more step between you and emotional clicks. Looking at this Bitcoin daily, ever wonder who gets filled first when several orders sit at the same price? Exchange rule number 1 is price priority. Buys at a higher price fill before lower bids. Sells at a lower price fill before higher offers. AEPD $1,000 1000 AEPD $1,000 999. Rule number 2 is time priority. Same price? Whoever ordered first fills first, like a line at the coffee shop. So if you want to fill sooner at your level, either improve your price or place the order earlier. The top and bottom of the order book are the front line of that race. Market orders skip the queue and fill immediately, but you may pay a worse price. Speed versus control. That's the trade-off. Sometimes an order doesn't fill all at once. That's a partial fill, and it's common with limit orders. Say you limit buy 100 shares and only 60 sell your price. 40 are still working. It's like ordering 10 pizzas for a party and getting 6 first. The rest keep waiting until you cancel or they fill. You can leave the remaining 40 working or cancel and re-enter at a better price. Check your order status panel for a partially filled flag. Fees matter too. Broker and exchange fee schedules differ. Shopping around can save you thousands of dollars a year. Tiny trades done over and over can let fees eat your real P&L. Set a sensible trade size and stick to it. Lesson 9 recap. Market orders fill immediately, but you don't set the price. Limit orders protect your price and may make you wait. Stop orders automate your exit and are the most important tool for blocking emotional mistakes. Exchanges process price priority first, then time priority. Plan for partial fills and watch fees. That's what leaves real profit in your pocket. Lesson 10 is risk management. Over the long run, not losing beats making a killing. This course is for education only and is not investment advice. Every trade and its outcome is your own responsibility.